Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to find Instagram user near me. First of all, go on the search box on the second selection on your profile section. Then you should go on the search box and type for example here. Now you should go on the last section on your right side that says places. Go click on it. Now here you need to type the place that you are currently in. For example, here are all the near places that are near to you, and for example if you go for this one here, as you can see, you have top posts and also recent that has been added quickly. For example, if you go here, and as you can see this post is 1 day ago, and if you get back and go on top here, you have posts that are, for example, not from this year. Yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.